ready to launch your podcast and share your voice with the world. First, head over to Buzzsprout and create your account. The sign-up process is incredibly simple. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and choose a password. Once inside your dashboard, you will see several subscription options. Select which best fits your needs. Now, upload your first episode. Click the Upload a New Episode button. You'll then be able to choose your audio file from your computer. Buzzsprout supports a wide range of audio formats, so upload your audio accordingly. From there, you can fill out the episode details. The episode's title, description, and the episode number are mandatory. Add optional information like cover art, season, and episode details as you wish. Next, let's talk about distribution. Buzzsprout makes it easy to get your podcast on popular platforms like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. Buzzsprout will provide you with an RSS feed that you can then submit to these platforms. Each platform has its own process for submission, but it's relatively easy to set up. Make sure to go ahead and submit your podcast. To monitor your podcast performance, click the Stats button. Buzzsprout provides comprehensive analytics, showing you downloads, listener demographics, and more. Use this data to see what's working or not, and tailor your content accordingly. Finally, let's discuss monetization. Buzzsprout integrates with podcast advertising platforms. You can add pro-roll, mid-roll, or post-roll ads to your episodes. Consider exploring the affiliate marketing program. It is another way to monetize your podcast by recommending products and services in your episode descriptions. Buzzsprout also offers other features, such as automatic transcription and website creation. With Buzzsprout, you're now on your way to podcasting success, so keep creating, keep sharing, and most importantly, keep having fun.